Finding a recipe that's easy and tasty is always a good thing for you and your guests. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with pan-grilled salmon with mango sauce. So let's get started. Let's prepare the mango sauce. Fresh lime juice is best. Let's cook the rice. Feel free to use your favorite rice. Salmon has a rich and fascinating history that spans millions of years. Ancestral salmon evolved around 25 million years ago in the North Pacific. Salmon became a staple in North America during the 19th century. The canning of salmon began in New England in the 1840s and later really took off on the West Coast. Now let's prepare the salmon. Let's build the dish. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the salmon is grilled to perfection. The star of the show, however, is the mango sauce made from ripe, juicy mangoes. It adds a sweet and tangy twist that beautifully complements the rich, savory salmon. This dish is perfect for lunch and or dinner and is easy and tasty, and everyone will enjoy it. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one tasty and easy meal for dinner. Stay with us. Watch another video.